All right. Okay. JakeOfALL, right? If you guys haven't figured it out, when I do tool with the tools, sometimes, right, because on all the other videos, people are like, you're biased. Sometimes I show off stuff that I really like. Sometimes I show off stuff that I don't like, and I get a little kick out of it. Sometimes it's in between. And one of the things that happens when you do this for long enough is people want to send you stuff, and I have family and friends, so a lot of times I'll take stuff that I don't really need, but I'll do an Amazon review. Sometimes I'll not do anything at all because it's complete junk. Obviously, sometimes your opinion changes based on what it costs. So you know we can get tons of tools on Amazon now. It's like the Amazon is a Harbor Freight, but faster, and I guess you don't have to deal with as many people. You don't have to bump elbows with the guy that's whatever, buying a cheap tool for a cheap job. Who cares? Don't have any problem with it because obviously, you know, I have Harbor Freight power washer, Harbor Freight jacks. So inexpensive tools, especially you're buying something for your sister, whatever. She never touches anything, but you know, she's going to be assembling some things that need a socket here and there. All right, so I've got this. I can't even say it Eckley, whatever. It's not like the normal Eckley, but it's a 75-piece quarter, like chrome socket set, right? I'm doing this, and I've already messaged the manufacturer, and it's hilarious. So it's a basic socket set. It's like a tool with a tool. Here you go. You can get it on Amazon, same as Harbor Freight. If you need a little basic one, price is right. And the price was like $40. So I don't know. I don't really think the price is right. But there's even something funnier. So I testing it. It fits all the normal stuff. Was opening it up, and I just thought right away something seems weird. And I checked this, and then I had to go online and check it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you this, okay? And you're going to look at this picture, and then it's just going to be a free-for-all. I want you to comment what's missing. I'm going to say it at the end, sort of, because I'm going to show you another picture. But I'm never going to say it out loud, okay? So I'll give you one more shot. I haven't taken anything out. Tell me what's missing. It's a socket set. Okay. So 75-piece. It has a 6-inch extension. It has a 3-inch extension. It does have, you know, the little hand screwdriver with the place to put a ratchet in the back of it, which is helpful, right? You can do it by hand, but it's not going to take you long. You don't want to flip stuff back and forth. You throw this on real quick, break it loose, okay? It even comes with a drill adapter, so throw it on your impact. And then it comes with the 1/4-inch drive to hex adapter for, hi kid, for running your bits, because it comes with some Torx, some flatheads, some Phillips. And then it just comes with SAE and metric, deep and shallow for each. So I guess you could say it's a little kit. That's not so bad, 40 bucks. I don't need it. You guys are going to win it. So I'm going to show you real quick on my phone. And you know what? I'm not going to show you. Since I haven't said it, I'm not going to spoil it. But I'm going to tell you, generally speaking, and I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to go buy it. You're crazy. I mean, you're not really crazy, but you know, I guess you could compare the 40 bucks on Amazon to whatever it is. But you guys are just going to win it. So I'm not going to tell you, you can see what it is. It's not bad, but it's $40 for a 75-piece set. Not terrible. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm putting it all back in. As you can see, everything that I took out of it, I put back in it. So now I'm going to show it to the camera, and you guys just go away, and then we'll pick a random comment, right? So here's the top. Here's the bottom. Comment below what's missing, because if you got this and it was missing, you'd probably say, how am I supposed to use it? So have a good one. I'm the JakeOfALL, and pack out.